Hello, this is your Week 4 MyStatsLab Problem 5 example. And in this example we will have three scatter plots to look at and answer a few questions. So here we have our three scatter plots, 1, 2, and 3. And let's sort of look at those, analyze them, and answer our questions for this problem. Part A asks us, which of these scatter plots shows no association? And in scatter plots, if there is a discernible pattern, then it shows association. Well, if we look at the three we have here, number 1 and number 3 do have some pattern. Number 2 looks like it has absolutely no pattern to it at all. So for part A, the scatter plot with no association would be number 2. Okay, part B asks us to find the scatter plot that has a negative association. Well, a negative pattern would run from upper left to lower right. Well, I think it's very obvious here that number 1 has a negative pattern going from upper left to lower right. The other two do not do that. So for part B, the answer is 1. Part C asks us which of these scatter plots show a linear association. Well, a linear association, the shape of the pattern of a scatter plot is called the form. It can be linear, it can be curved, or some other type. Well, here number 1 is very much linear, and number 3 has some linear tendencies and also a curve. Part D asks us to find which scatter plot has a moderately strong association. Well, another feature to look for in a scatter plot is strength. The closer the points are together, the stronger the association. So number 1, very close. Number 3, fairly close. Number 2, of course, not close at all. So out of these three, a moderately strong association would be number 3. And then the final part of this problem asks us which of these scatter plots has a very strong association. Well, we just talked about the fact that the closer the points are together, the stronger the association. So in this case, number 1, they are very, very tight, which means we do have a very strong association in number 1. Well, that's all there is to this problem. We answered that pretty quickly, didn't we? But we did learn a little bit about scatter plots and how they are formed and what they look like, whether they're strong, negative, positive, or just has no association at all. So I hope this helps you a little bit, helps you answer your problem 5 from your week 4 MyStatsLab. Take care.